Hey guys, I'm Chelsea for those of you who are new to my channel. If you aren't, welcome back. Today I wanted to do another colorful look for you guys. I haven't done a halo eye in a while, so I thought, why not? Anyway, I suck at introductions, so without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. To prime my face, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Hangover primer. Now I'm just going to prime my eyes using a concealer, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer in Cookie Dough. That was a whole lot. Going in with the tiny concealer brush, this is my BH Cosmetics 11 brush. I'm just going to clean up the underneath of my brows and then go in with the bigger concealer brush to blend it out onto my lid. Then I'm going to set that using my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Banana Bread. Applying this with my Morphe M504 Fluffy Brush. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with the James Charles palette by Morphe. And I'm going to start by going in with Love That. And I'm going to be picking that up on this dense crease brush. It is a Morphe brush. I don't know the number because it rubbed off. But it's just a small, compact one. I'm just going to pack this in the crease. So I'm going to blend out the top of this color using 518. And I'm going to take this on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush. It's just a longer crease brush. Going back in with the concealer and my concealer brush, I'm going to cut the center of my eyelid. Then what I like to do is just wipe off that concealer on that concealer brush. I'm just gonna blend out that edge so there's no harsh line you gotta blend. Then I'm gonna be going over that cut crease using 518, that really bright orange, on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH42 brush. It's a really small smudger brush. I'm just gonna pack it on. Then using that brush, we took Love That on and just blending that into your outer V, into the orange a little bit. And then taking the brush with the orange and blending it back as well. Just so these two get blended nicely. Also taking my Sigma Smudger E21 brush, picking up some Skip and blending that into the orange as well. And going under my eyes, taking that same Sigma brush, I'm going to pick up the Love That. I'm going to pick up Love That, the dark purple pink, and smudge that under my lash line. And then going in with that Morphe by Jaclyn brush, taking 518 and blending that out. For my liner, I'm just going to be going in with N.Y.X's Epic Ink Liner. And I'm just going to draw a line on my lash line to create a base for my lashes. For my lashes, I'm going to be going in with L'Amour Lashes in Juliette. Now going in with some mascara, I'm going to be using Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. Now for my face, I'm going to be going in with Elcie's The Glow Enhancer Dry Face Oil. Then going in with foundation, I'm going to be using Natasha Denona's Transformatte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. And I'm going to be mixing 70 Warm Neutral and 42 Neutral Yellow. And I'm just going to go around my brow to make sure that I don't blend the sponge into it. And then blending that in with my sponge. Contouring my face using Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer in Salted Caramel. I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. Then going in with Huda Beauty's N.Y.M.P.H Body Highlighter in Luna. Popping some of that on the back of my hand. Then I'm just going to blend that in. And then going in with concealer again, and I'm going to be going back in with that Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Cookie Dough. On my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush, I'm going to be setting that, again using the Easy Bake Powder and Banana Bread. Setting the rest of my face with this powder. And I'm going to be bronzing up my face using my Benefits Hoola bronzer. I'm going to be taking that on my Bobel B4 brush. Then going in with some blush, and I'm going to be using my Too Faced Blush Duo in Strawberry. I'm going to take this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. Going in with a little bit of that Huda again and just popping that on my inner corner. Then also popping a little bit of that on the brow bone. Now wiping off my lips. So for my lips, I'm going to be using MAC Cosmetics. This is the Cherry Blossom collection, and it is in Framboise. It's a matte lipstick. I don't really have a lip liner that goes with it, so let's see what happens here. And then I'm just going to go over that with some gloss, and this is Buxom's Plumping Lip Cream in the shade Ibiza Bomb. Then I'm just going to spray my face using MAC's Fix Plus in Cherry Blossom. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, be sure to click that bell icon below this video if you want to get notifications for when I post future videos. I just said videos so many times. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this look and want to recreate it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your support, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.